The mountain peak K2 is also known as. Answer is C. Godwin Austen. In India, the repo rate is announced by. Answer is C. The Reserve Bank of India. Who is the chairperson of Niti Aayog of India? Answer is A. Prime Minister. When was the National Commission for Women established? Answer is D. 1992. Reading glasses are made up of which lens? Answer is B. Convex lens. The Mediterranean land are known as the world's. Answer is A. Orchard. The Hindu College was founded in Kolkata in the year. Answer is D. 1817. During the Battle of Plassey, Siraj-ud-Dowlah captured which English factory? Answer is C. English factory at Qasim Bazar. When did the British Indian government announce the decision to implement the partition of Bengal? Answer is B. 19 July 1905. In 1872, Lord Mayo, the Viceroy of India, was assassinated in Dash. Answer is A. Port Blair. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Henry Louis Vivian de Rosio was associated with. Answer is D. Young Bengal Movement. Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Service? Answer is A. Satyendranath Tagore. The upper house of Indian Parliament is known as. Answer is A. The Rajya Sabha. The chairperson of the Lok Sabha is designated as the. Answer is A. Speaker. The contingency fund of the state is operated by. Answer is D. Governor of the state. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India was Dash. Answer is C. Leila Seth. The French Revolution took place in the year. Answer is D. 1789. Biosphere reserve are most appropriately described as. Answer is C. Learning sites for sustainable development. Which of the following organism releases molecular oxygen into water? Answer is D. Phytoplankton. Which of the following is the unit of measurement of the ecological footprint? Answer is A. Global hectare. Which Indian state is the largest producer of soybean? Answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is a biotic component of our biosphere? Answer is C. Microbes. Montreal Protocol is related to. Answer is the protection of ozone layer. Chief Election Commissioner of India can be removed from office by Dash. Answer is D. Both A and C. Right to education became a fundamental right and came into force on. Answer is A. April 2010. Which of the following article deals with prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor? Answer is D. Article 23. What is the shape of the orbit of the planet? Answer is C. Elliptical. Narmada and Tapi are rivers in flowing towards the. Answer is A. Arabian Sea. The objects that produce their own light are called. Answer is B. Luminous object. The oldest oil field in India is located in. Answer is B. Assam. Which of the following dam has been built on the river Krishna? Answer is D. Nagarjuna Sagar. The informal settlement of a dispute outside court is known as. Answer is D. Arbitration. A judge of High Court retires at the age of. Answer is C. 62. Which of the following is the oldest High Court? Answer is B. Kolkata High Court. Which of the following Union territories has its own High Court? Answer is A. Delhi. The state of Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh have a common High Court at which of the following cities? Answer is C. Guwahati. The theme of the painting of Ajanta is based on. Answer is C. Buddhism. Which of the following is known as the Old Stone Age? Answer is B. Paleolithic Age. On the bank of which river is Harappan site of Indus Valley Civilization located? Answer is A. Ravi.